Hi, my name's Mark, and this is the love of my life, Aja. After retiring from the Army in 2018, my family and I moved from the States to my wife's hometown of Szczecin, Poland. She followed me around for 18 years, so now it's only fair that I do the same for her. She runs a Polish cooking food channel and blog, and I lift the heavy things. Once in a while, she shuts down the kitchen, and we explore Poland together to find as much good food as we can. Welcome to Kitchens Closed.
Hello, my good friends.
Hi!
It's not Friday.
It's not Friday.
But kitchen's closed.
Kitchen's closed.
This way.
Yeah.
Kitchen's closed.
Yeah, it's closed.
We are closing our kitchen for a month. And we're taking a vacation. We're going to the United States.
You're coming home!
This guy's very excited.
I can't wait. But we wanted to show you this piece of Berlin Wall because it's a history. The Berlin Wall was put up in the 60s, taken down in the 80s, 90s, and we'll tell you about it someday.
So we are on our way to the States. We are spending the night in Berlin for one night. And tomorrow, super early, we'll be on the plane and going. No crash.
No.
No crash.
No. But hey.
And so you may expect not to see a lot of us this month.
You may expect delays in video production.
Yes.
Because we're on vacation.
But we would like to show you a little bit of our trip, but not a whole lot, just a little bit.
Malutki.
So we hope you tag along.
Yeah.
So let's go?
Let's go.
Let's go. Welcome home!
We made it! Yay!
Where are we going, the Schmeine?
Where are we going?
Yeah.
Ooh! We're in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. And if you know anything about Pennsylvania, they have a wonderful thing called the Wawer. What is a Wawa? It's like a Quick Trip. What's a Quick Trip? It's a gas station, but it's more than a gas station. It's a source of sustenance. So it's morning time. We're fitting to go to the train station to go to DC on the Amtrak. But what we're gonna get first is breakfast burritos. So we're gonna get breakfast burritos, and they're like 17 pounds of goodness. I'm gonna show you, and I've been dreaming about them for forever. They put a hash brown inside the breakfast burrito.
So show us how you really feel.
Oh yeah, baby. Mission accomplished. Got 1.5 pounds of delightfulness.
He's so excited.
So the breakfast burrito, this one, it's customizable. I have selected hash browns, a tortilla, cheddar cheese, scrambled eggs, sausage, chipotle mayo, and onion. This is what that gorgeous looks like.
I thought it was gonna be hot.
It'd be okay if you started crying.
I don't want to. I don't want to cry. I'm okay. So here we are at 30th Street Station in Philadelphia, and we're headed off to
Washington, D.C.
see some friends down there, some friends and family in Peace City. Come on, let's go. We're in the quiet car.
And we're eating Philly pretzels.
I got Philadelphia pretzels. Hello, everybody. Hello. Hello. Polish Kitchens outside barbecuing here in Arlington, Virginia with our friends. Where'd Litka go? Litka and Pavel. That's all. Bye. Folks, we've landed in Minnesota. Minnesota. And now we're gonna head over to the Mall of America to get some grub. We have a very nice swanky hotel we'll show you later. But now,
Fancy schmancy.
now Minnesota time. So look at Minnesota for a minute.
It's my lucky day. I found coffee in coffee mugs.
Yay! On your birthday. Happy birthday. And what little present did I get?
This thing?
Yeah, show the folks what I got in Wisconsin.
Wisconsin bourbon.
straight bourbon.
I thought bourbon had to be made in Kentucky to be called bourbon.
Nope.
What?
Just America. Has to be made in America. So we're gonna drink this coffee first. Whiskey later. I love Wisconsin. Oh. Hello, May. What are we doing?
We're vacationing.
Where are we?
No hungry friends.
No hungry friends.
We're in northern Michigan, UP.
In the UP. Say yeah to the UP, eh?
Yeah, UP, eh?
Ain't it though? And we're at JWL State Park. It looks like this.
Slower!
No, they have to see it fast because it's such a big park. And now what?
More vacation time.
Okay, go. Well, howdy, beautiful. What you got going on over here?
What does one do with leftover cabbage slaw?
I don't know.
Some leftover brats and baby carrots.
And then you make a beautiful soup.
Who's hungry for some lunch?
I am. I bet people watching are hungry for lunch too.
We're feeling right at home here, aren't we?
Oh yeah, I feel very much at home here.
I have natural casing wieners and
Smoked kielbasa.
we're home now.
Yeah! Nothing like being home. Okay, so we're here at the House on the Rock, and if you don't know what the House on the Rock is, like, it's hard to explain it. So we'll just kind of show you a little bit of this. And now we will go to the streets of yesterday. What do you think?
Let's get on.
So we're in the Wisconsin Dells, and we're gonna go on a boat, because boat tours are fun. What you doing, beautiful?
First layer of goodness going in.
What's the goodness?
Our pot is gonna be filled with some other chickeny parts and vegetable parts and put in the fire.
On the fire. Ooh. How long does it cook for then?
4 hours.
4 hours. Oh, that ain't gonna be lunch. That's dinner. Well, right on. I thought we were having lunch, but I guess not. So, we're camping with our friends in Wisconsin. I've just seen the evolution of the camping chair. As you see, we have the GCI Outdoor Freestyle. It's got hydraulics on it. Let me demonstrate. This is why I love America so much. And we're rocking in a folding camping chair.
Where's your baby?
I don't got no baby. You're my baby.
You got a food baby?
I got food, baby. 3 negative COVID tests later, and we're ready to go to the Mall of America. Oh, jeez. And then fly home to Poland.
That's our episode, friends.
Thanks for tagging along.
That was
That one was different.
that was a little bit different.
We got to go on a train,
We got to go on the plane.
and we got to go on an automobile.
Yep. And a boat.
In a boat. Nice boat.
And yep. So next week we're gonna change up our Kitchens Closed episodes, and you're gonna see me working on my cookbook.
You have a cookbook?
It's for those of you who are also here for Polish recipes. If you go to polishyourkitchen.com, I have tons and tons of recipes there. All those recipes are gonna go into a book. Hopefully I can publish by the end of the year.
And then you can purchase it for your loved ones.
And yourself.
And yourself. If
Yeah.
you love yourself, and you should.
And if you love us.
And you should.
Yeah. On here and also on Facebook, I'm going to be announcing, or I'm going to be asking for some help from our biggest fans. So please keep looking on those, and
And
hopefully you
then,
can help me with the book a little bit.
because I don't know what I'm doing, so you have to help her.
So we'll see you next week.
But wait, first go to www.polishyourkitchen.com, check out the merch store, check out the recipes, follow, like, and subscribe here. Please subscribe. Just
Click a
subscribe.
button.
It doesn't hurt
Like,
nothing.
subscribe.
It'll be fun for you. You'll like it, I promise. But that's it.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Do widzenia.
And then Wisconsin tried to kill us. So there's a tornado outside of the Walmart while we were shopping. So now we're all here. trying not to die.